Today I want to share with you an extension called Draftback, an excellent tool for teachers to identify the thought process behind the creation of a Google Doc. I'm not sure this is something that students should know about. So we go to Apps. That opens the window where all your choices are for apps, and we're going to go to the web store. What we're shopping for is called Draftback. It's two separate words. And the choice here, the first one among the extensions, Draftback, offered by jsomers.net, the archaeology of great writing, and you'll want to add it to Chrome. Once you've done that, every Google Doc that you either create or open from having someone share it with you is going to give you this tool here, playback, this document's history. And it's basically a playback of all the keystrokes that created the document. It's going to play, kind of like a sped-up video, the creation of the document itself. So I'm going to play this document that I created. I was at a conference, and this is what it looked like as I was typing it. It was Sunday, it was 8:43 a.m., and I'm seeing myself create my opening paragraph. But I'm also making some revisions along the way. The insight for me looking back on this is how I write, how I think when I write. I finished my first paragraph, I think. Now I'm on paragraph 2. And I'm making corrections. And here's 2 names. I don't know their names right now, so I left it blank. And I'm working on paragraph 2. But as I continue writing, I notice something about where my brain goes. There's paragraph 1. This is paragraph 2. Now I've started paragraph 3. And then I have an idea for paragraph 4. Did you see that show up? I'm fixing paragraph 1. Now I'm on 3. Doing some editing here. This is just where my brain is. It's now 10:30 on a Sunday morning. Still don't know those 2 names for paragraph 2. And it's playing back how I wrote this. Still composing paragraph 3. I've got an idea for 4 when I come back to it later. Change that sentence 3 times. Now I'm starting paragraph 4. But do I stay in paragraph 4? No, actually, I'm fixing paragraph 2. Now I'm fixing 4. And I have an idea for 5. Now I'm back to 3. Sometime I'll actually go back and find out who those 2 names are. But this is paragraph 1. What am I doing in paragraph 1? Now I'm in paragraph 2. Now I'm in paragraph 2. Fixing paragraph 3. Now I'm in paragraph 4. I still have an idea of what I want for paragraph 5. While you're watching that, there's another option here. There's a link at the top, Document Graphs and Statistics. This will indicate what day, how much time I spent on it, but the writing sessions. So you can see that I spent 51 minutes creating it, and the first time I went back for 12 minutes, 32 seconds. I came back a little bit later for 20 minutes. I had 14 seconds to look at it. Then I took some time off from 11, like an hour and a half, and then I came back for 5 minutes, and then 32 minutes, and then 2 more minutes. That's my drafting history, and that's what Draftback can do for you. It's basically a play-by-play of the creation of the document. Great insights for who you are as a writer, but I don't know that you want students to do this. You can see how much time they've spent on it. You can get some insights on who they are as a writer. I suppose you could also identify if there were any large chunk copy-pastes, or if they waited until the last minute, day before the due date or morning of, and they told you, oh yeah, I had 3 weeks on this. I spent a lot of time on it. Liar. That's what Draftback can do for you, and that's how to use it.